It's all been a puppet show for a couple hundred years or so. Ever since the priests and bankers took over, and now they own every fucking soul, and every scrap of it they fucking stole. People who don't know any better, victimized, traumatized by the system of greed and lies, and they wonder why you and I fail to compliance several times. From the puppeteers and financiers, clearly we despise, but I'm sure that they have got our best interest in mind. Well, I resent you for believing you represent me. Just disgust me, yeah. Get your filthy fucking hands off me. Hey, you don't speak for me. So the farce continues on. People living like automatons, believing whatever the TV tells them. No need to separate the church and state, just pass around the collection plate and buy the shit authority sells them. Brutalized, sodomized, all in rap by